Lonnie Quinn is here now. We are looking for some rain. We were hoping, or what next?
And there is some rain out there. He got here too late. It's been a terrible weather day, and what's out there right now, setting the stage for not a very good morning commute. In fact, a very hazardous morning commute. So let me show you what it looks like as of right now. All right, there you see the shiny pavement outside of the CBS studios, West 57th Street. Temperature 39 degrees. A little bit of rain falling currently out there. The winds are going to become a big factor. They are. Right now, you're looking at wind gusts in Belmar at 44 miles per hour. We just had a wind gust in Atlantic City, an official reading of 60-mile-per-hour winds. I believe that's a possibility for tomorrow. And if that happens with all that heavy snow out there and some of the trees, some trees still with leaves on it, I think branches are going down. I think some trees could go down as well. Wind advisory for Monmouth and Ocean County, also for Suffolk County, also for the Connecticut shoreline, but a high wind warning for the east end of Suffolk County, where you could have the highest probability of finding some 60-mile-per-hour winds out there. Again, everybody else, you could be seeing 50-mile-per-hour winds. It certainly is possible. You're waking up. It's windy. A second band of snow or rain coming through the area, about 33 degrees, wind gusts 40 miles per hour or stronger getting into the afternoon. Still windy throughout the entire day. Those wind warnings and wind watches stay in effect until 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. 46 degrees, gusts 35 miles per hour or stronger possibly. Vortex radar and satellite, all right? So, look, there's still some rain that's heavy, in fact, on the north shore of Long Island. Too little, too late in terms of wiping that snow out. It didn't take place. It didn't occur when we thought it would. And quite honestly, the totals are so much bigger than anyone could have ever anticipated. Snow hanging on to the northern fringes of Sullivan, Ulster County. But it's this batch right here, okay, that's going to sweep through overnight, actually into your morning commute. Because remember how a low-pressure system circulates the air like this, right? So you put this low right about here. As it's circulating, it's going to be pulling this right through, and you get one more shot of rain or sleet or snow early in the morning. So what happened? How did this whole thing play out? How did it become this enormous storm? Well, take a look here. I put something together for you. I told you the intensity was stronger than we anticipated. I also told you it got here about an hour and a half ahead of time, and it turned over about an hour and a half later than we thought. Well, much like the summer, when you get those real strong downbursts of rain, right, and you feel that cold air coming out of the sky, it happened with a winter storm today. Real strong downburst. That's the intensity, right? Well, this column of air, this middle section here, is supposed to be warm. That's what we were planning on. It had an inversion layer. But since the snow was coming down so fast, it just overwhelms the temperature. This all becomes cold. So the whole entire column, from top to bottom, is too cold. All you need to know about is the falling snow overwhelmed the warm air that was in this column of air. It just didn't happen. It stayed cold from top to bottom. There was almost no changeover. Not during the time we anticipated. It happened too late in the day, and we had those big numbers. 46 will be your day tomorrow. Again, the second half of the day, I think you're going to be seeing partly sunny skies. 47 on Saturday. The weekend, in terms of weather events, I don't see it for the weekend. It's, just cold out there. And then next week, I don't really see any weather events. As a matter of fact, Thanksgiving right now looks like a very fine Thanksgiving day. Cold, 43 degrees, but across the board, we're looking at a sunny or a partly sunny sky.